Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NexGami token. Ticker symbol is NexGG, NEXG. Now this token here is an ERC20 token that was just announced as getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. I don't know if they actually have a release date yet. I'm going to look for it here in 1 second. They're talking about pre-orders, things like that. Yeah, looks like pre-order right now. Token launch time to be announced, but I do know which exchange it's being launched on. And we're going to talk about a couple different ways actually that you can get this token here in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So what is NexGami? NexGami is a GameFi, game aggregation and incubation platform. It was established to introduce traditional game users to the world of Web3. Through gaming, it allows traditional gamers to encounter, understand, participate in, and ultimately immerse themselves in the financial features of Web3. NexGami is also a decentralized autonomous organization consisting of millions of gamers, game promoters, represented by KOLs, game manufacturers, investors, and other key roles. Within the ecosystem of a social-type multiplayer online gaming platform, they exercise governance rights and share ecosystem benefits using non-fungible tokens, NFTs. The core highlight of the NexGami platform, keyword light esports. So esports refers to sports competitions using electronic games, defined by Wikipedia. This includes competitive games that determine winners and losers, first-person shooters, real-time strategies, sports, card battles, etc., and casual games that score like racing, music, puzzles, all sorts of things. Currently, mainstream global esports games require multiple players to compete in real time to determine the outcome. In contrast, our light aspect is reflected in features like asynchronous battles and automatic combat. Players set up their teams at the beginning of the match. Over a more extended competition period, they challenge other players and accept challenges in an automatic combat forum. The overall score from multiple wins and losses determines the competition results. This is our version of light esports. For example, in our planned closed beta version, all participants will engage in a home and away double round robin points match, which is a clear prototype of this light esports format. Unlike other conventional esports games, where the acquisition of participating characters or card sets is primarily automatic or purchased, our participating characters are entirely sourced from immersive gameplay in the game's main world. Players earn different quality and features participating character NFTs in the MMORPG world through activities like monster hunting, leveling up, completing tasks, occupying resources, and PK battles. These can be reserved for their competition resources or sold to other players for profit. Of course, participating in various in-game competitions and achieving sufficient rankings is also a primary way to make money. The economic model of the first generation GameFi, the original P2E, is starting to fall behind the times. Players log in daily to consume their energy and collect daily token rewards, a process that can be aptly described as collecting wages. This form of earning money is essentially a scheme because it lacks other forms of revenue. In terms of revenue sources, light esports has a significant inherent advantage. It has a sense of honor. It's got the advertising effect. It has game experience payments. So the NexG game world will have various ways to obtain participating character NFTs. They will be produced in multiple games, such as the first generation MMORPG, the second generation simulation business, and the third generation casual puzzle, the fourth generation, fifth generation, and so on. The types of esports competitions will also vary. So the governance token is the NEXG token. And before we get into that, this token is right now in pre-order. If you go over to Gates Twitter, their startup Twitter, it says it is at Gate.io_startup, and you can also find info about this on NexGami's Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there, at NexGami. They have 503,800 Twitter followers. That is an insane amount of Twitter followers. 503.8 thousand Twitter followers. Gold verified checkmark. Very well established project. Over 500,000 Twitter followers. And it says the duration of this startup for pre-order is April 15th, 6 a.m. UTC time till April 21st. So it just started basically today. So you can get involved with that. The pre-order price right now is about 4 cents USD. So 0.04 USDT per NextG token. And they have a pre-order link, gate.io/startup/1408. If you go over there, you'll be able to get involved with this pre-order for this token here. So, and then, within the next coming week or so, they're going to announce when this token will be listed on Gate and then other exchanges as well. The total supply of this token is 1 billion tokens. They don't have the smart contract address out yet. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. What says ERC20? I'm assuming it's Ethereum. It could be Polygon or something like that. It doesn't specify yet, and I can't check because the contract address isn't out yet. Maybe it'll say on their white paper. They do have a 38-page DocSend white paper that you can review that's linked on their webpage as well. And their webpage is nexgami.com. You can find that on their Twitter. They have a full link tree there that'll take you anywhere you need to go. And they have a reward pool in their pinned tweet. You can check that out as well. So they're doing all sorts of little events. Probably their third tweet down right now is talking about the Gates pre-orders. And yeah, just tons of info on their page about this new token coming out here. So this is the governance token, basically. It says it'll drive the success of the project here. And, I'm sure it's going to do more than just governance as well. It's probably a utility token as well. But, there's 38 pages of info, basically, about this project and the token that you could check out on their DocSend. And lastly, how the token is split up, it says 50% goes to initial DEX offering, initial exchange offering, 5% marketing, 45% game mining. Actually, that doesn't even add up here. Let me try that again. Okay, 10%, sorry, I was looking at it says 50% unlocked. That's confusing. Scratch what I said. 10% goes to IEO, 5% marketing, 45% game mining, 20% financing, 15% team, 5% DAO. And then the contract will be announced soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm sure they're going to get more central exchanges listings as well. This is a giant project. So go check it out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about NexGami? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.